Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware compatibility. CPU TPM2, 4 GB RAM and free storage. Once confirmed, back up your data to an external drive or cloud so you can restore if needed. Next, download the Media Creation tool or an ISO and create a bootable USB with Rufus. This ensures a clean, reliable installer. Make sure Secure Boot and UEFI settings are noted, because you'll adjust them in firmware before booting the installer. You now boot from the USB installer and select Language and Keyboard. Once in setup, choose Custom Install to control partitions. This is where you format or delete the old Windows partition for a clean system. Make sure you select the correct drive. If you used multiple disks, disconnect extras to avoid mistakes. Once partitions are set, Windows copies files and restarts several times. This is normal. After the first reboot, follow on-screen prompts to create a user, set privacy options, and connect to network. Finish by installing chipset, GPU, and network drivers from the manufacturer to ensure performance and stability. Windows Update fills gaps, but OEM drivers are recommended. Once drivers are installed, restore your files from the backup and reinstall apps, confirming licenses and account sign-ins. If Windows fails to activate or you hit hardware errors, check your product key and internet connection, run the activation troubleshooter, and verify TPM/UEFI settings. If boot problems occur,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.